How to create crypto.com account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can create crypto.com account. Now what you can do is you can either visit crypto.com/exchange and select the sign up button on the upper right hand corner and select continue, or you can easily go ahead and download the application, and upon opening the application you'll get sign up or sign in option. You want to simply tap on sign up and you want to submit your details such as your name and your verification process that you'll have to go through. You'll have to verify your phone number and Gmail and your identity in order to go ahead and sign up or create the crypto.com account. So I'm unable to show it to you here, unfortunately, due to the security issues. I'm unable to head into the website or into the application itself, but that is how you can create your account. You can simply head into crypto.com/exchange and there you can sign into your account or create new account. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.